Oh, hey, welcome back. Been a while, hasn't it? It's been a long time. It's been quite a while. A long time. I have no excuse. I give you all the excuses in the world. Work, work, more work, lack of money, more work. I've been letting y'all guys down, and I apologize. But I'm back. I hope everything's going well with those suffering for the pandemic, suffering through. I've suffered. I'm sure a lot of us have. So I'm still driving trucks. I'm still working through. I'm blessed. I'm fortunate to have a job and keep on trucking. So we're still doing that. I'm sorry and not getting these videos out to you. So the Camaro's engine, the 305 short block Chevy, it blew. It seized up. It spun a bearing, something. I don't know exactly what happened. One day I was driving, everything was fine, and never got it outside my hometown here, and never drove it hard. I mean, I may have gotten it up to 70 miles an hour once. Drove fine. It was great running vehicle, mechanically sound. We got it running. I drove it for 3 or 4 months that way. It was turning into a great daily commuter car, and that's the way it was, because our plans for that car was to get the drivetrain up and running and fix the bodywork before we decided to do anything powertrain wise. So in this video we laid out our plans for that car. 96,000 miles original, but of course that engine set up for 20 plus years. It spun or bearing or something. All I heard was knock, 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 clank, 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 boom. It just froze while the engine was running. The crankshaft was starting to make noise, and the harmonic balancer was bouncing around really hard, and I watched it happen idling in the driveway, and it just froze solid. And it just would not happen. Nothing was happening. So we parked it. I put a tarp over it, and it sits to this day. That was about 4 months ago. The reason I tarped it is because I didn't want any of the sun to fade our newly restored interior. Well, we already talked about putting a Borg Warner T56, so that's what I'm looking for. Our engine, I found a donor engine. I found ourselves a short block Chevy. It's not an LS. I knew we were going to go LS based on our plans. Unfortunately, due to financial setbacks, plans change. I mean, that's the name of the game sometimes with project cars. But I got a great deal on a well-built engine, and I do mean well-built. Short block Chevy. With a Borg Warner T56 6-speed with our Posi-Track rear axle. I have a Posi-Track, so that it's a 10-bolt main, but that'll get us started to a well-built car, and then of course body work along the way. So. Now, our Ram 1500, I've got a few little few little things to do on it. I'm gonna try out some products and let you know my opinions on it. We'll get that done. I like to change out the exhaust manifold bolts. That's a video. I'd like to do exhaust work on the truck. That'll be coming out hopefully by the end of 2022, if not sooner. Take out doing a PCM swap maybe by the midsummer, and that'll be also be followed by a dyno tune, and then also as body modifications, we'll be doing fender flares, and probably really soon we'll be installing the roof cab lights from Mopar. Eventually I'll replace the running boards, I'll replace the fuel cap door, and maybe by Christmas of 2022 we'll have a bed cover on our truck, a hard Donahue cover, fiberglass, painted to match. That's our plan for 2022 on the Ram 1500. My wife's car, the Nissan Sentra, if you're following that car, I don't know what's going to happen with that car. Hopefully, keep my fingers crossed, we will not be doing a transmission swap in that car. It just rolled over 100,000 miles. The transmission was giving us a little problems, but if we have to, we will be doing a used transmission swap. It'll still be the same transmission, but we'll show you how to do a transaxle swap if needed. But anyway, I just thought I'd give you a quick channel update. So anyway, this is the Texas Shade Tree Mechanic down here in Southeast Texas. Wishing you all a happy 2022. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you, and stay tuned for further videos. They will be coming. Just be patient with me. Until next time, be cool. Catch you around the next one.